So now, after understanding the relationship of elements, doshas, their properties, and the functions, I will explain the locations of Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Now, you would be surprised that why I am saying location. Is dosha only on one location, or is it everywhere? But the reality is that Vata, Pitta, Kapha are there everywhere in the body. Even in the smallest, even inside the cell, even in the nucleus, even in the DNA. Because they are not understood based on the physical form, they are understood based on the function that they perform. So say if the one cell and the another cell, in between there is something that binds them, so then that binding action based on which we will understand, oh, there is water element. If the cell, then there is a cell membrane and then there are cell organelles in it, so all that we call it earth. The conversion of the nutrients that go through the cell membrane into the cell and converts into cell organelles and nourishes the cell organelles, this conversion is called fire. So like that, we can understand these 5 elements in the whole body, in each and every minutest thing in the body. Having said that, which means that all the 5 elements, all the 3 doshas are there everywhere in the body, but they still have their main locations. So, and Ayurveda understands the connection of everything in the body. So the central, which is the digestive system, everything in the body is based on the function of this digestive system. So we call this central and this periphery, but periphery is dependent on the central. So that's why the primary locations are described in the digestive system, because when we take the food, primarily it first is transformed, converted in the primary locations. So the primary location of Vata is the colon, and Pitta is the small intestine, and Kapha is the stomach. So primary locations of Vata, colon, Pitta, small intestine, Kapha, stomach. Having said that, still, based on whatever functions they have, like Kapha has binding, moistening, wherever these actions are happening, we can understand that there is Kapha. Pitta, wherever any transformation, breakdown, conversion is happening, or heat, then there is Pitta. Wherever there is any subtle movement happening, then there is Vata. Okay, so we understood the primary locations of Vata, colon, Pitta, small intestine, Kapha, stomach.